Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can use your iPad as a webcam with Discord. So if you are using Discord on your Windows machine, PC or Mac, and if your machine does not have a webcam, then you can actually use the camera of your iPad as a webcam with Discord. So the process is quite simple and easy. Let's begin the video. Now on your iPad, you're going to open the App Store and you're going to download and install this free app which is called Camo Camera. Once you have installed it, open the Camo Camera app. It will ask you for some permissions, so we're going to allow the permissions to access our location, microphone and our camera, so that when we're going to use it as a webcam on Discord, it can actually work, and that's it. Now the second important thing is that your iPad and the device like your Windows machine, PC or Mac should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. So currently you can see my iPad is connected to the Jazz Wi-Fi network. So now when we are going to install the Camo application on our machine which has Discord, it should also be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That is very important. So for now we are going to leave the app as it is and move towards our Windows or Mac machine. Here I am on a MacBook, but the process is same for Windows users. You're going to open any browser and you're going to open this website link will be in the video description just below the like button. So from here you need to download the Camo application either for Windows or for Mac. If you're on Windows, you're going to download this one, but since I am on Mac, I am going to download for the Mac OS. Once the application has been downloaded, it will be in a zip folder, so we are going to unzip the file. Once it has been unzipped, double tap on the Camo setup, open, install, enter the passcode to unlock your Mac, and that's it. Now it's going to open Camo Studio. Camo Studio would like to record this computer screen and audio, so we can just simply open system settings and allow it. After that we are going to click on continue, continue again. These are the permissions that it requires. We are going to click on continue. You can name it anything. I'm going to skip it. So now you can see it has been installed right here. Now in order to basically, sometimes it may ask you to restart your Mac or PC, so you have to restart it. In my case it is not asking for that. Now if you want to use our iPad as a webcam with our PC so that we can later use it with Discord, we are going to again open the iPad and we are going to open the Camo Studio application. Now you can see it has not detected it. So what we are going to do is to first of all make sure that my Mac or PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as of my iPad, which is Jazz. So now what we can do is go to the device section. We are going to scroll down and we are going to click on pair a device. It will show you a QR code. Now on your iPad where you have Camo Studio opened up, you can click on the Wi-Fi button and we are going to simply scan the QR code from our Mac. Once it has scanned it, it will try to pair with it. If both the devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, you can see the device is currently inactive because it has connected it. Now we go into device. You can see iPad Air 5, and if I select it, you can see I am using my iPad as a webcam. So now you can see I have selected my iPad and you can see the right here. For this you can just simply click on this on the right, the blank frame, and it will select the whole screen. So you can see I am using my iPad as a webcam on my Mac. Now I'm just simply going to open Discord. We are just simply going to minimize the application and not close it. Now on Discord, you're simply going to go to Discord settings. We are going to scroll down until we see the option voice and video. From here click on video. We are going to click on test video, and by default it is using my webcam of the MacBook, not the iPad. In order to use your iPad, you can just click on this camera drop down and select Camo Camera, and now you can see it is actually using my iPad as a webcam on Discord. Now you may have something like Wasay, why should someone use their iPad as a webcam? Well, there is only one thing or reason that I found, that you can actually take your iPad, move it around as you can see, and if you're with friends on Discord, you can showcase them different things because it's much easier to carry your iPad. So yeah guys, this is how you can basically use your iPad as a webcam with Discord. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you're wondering how you can use your iPhone as a webcam, I have already made a video. A box will appear right here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.